Hey, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. We are back again. That's right, for the 8th day of the 12 Days of Glam. Y'all, can we find the pause button? I am enjoying these daily advents so stinking much. I do not want this to be over. But even after the 12 days of glam have come and gone, this is the gift that keeps on giving. You are going to be able to use these polishes all throughout the year and have the most magical phalanges. So let's get into day 8 and see what's behind that magical door. I feel like we need a drum roll. Drum roll, please. And we have Ballerina Blush. Now I can't get over how stunning this cream is. Under certain lights, it almost looks eggshell, and under other lights, you have this beautiful, warm pink blush. I am so in love with this, and the first thing I thought upon looking at it was cable knit sweater nails, y'all. So for anybody that has not seen my tutorial, I recently did a tutorial showing you how you could use baking soda instead of acrylic to emboss your sweater nails. So this was a hack for anybody that is allergic to acrylic or maybe wants a different textured design look. Could literally go into their cabinet, into their pantry, grab some baking soda, and sprinkle your way to the fanciest, most adorable textured nails. Now in the left-hand corner, I quickly showed the set I did with last month, I almost said last year, last month's collection, Harvest Hues. I did the most darling Botino inspired sweater set. Now, with all of that being said, I would not have known about this hack without beautiful Rose nails. During a live, she mentioned the alternative and I lost it because one of the things I love embossing with acrylic. The way that it embosses and how smooth it is there's nothing better. But my biggest issue is with my allergies. Working with acrylic of any kind just leaves me exposed, and that kind of exposure can lead to hives, allergic reactions, and all sorts of no fun things. So though there's no substitute for that smooth finish of embossing, the way this baking soda embosses is actually pretty impressive, and it also gives the sweater look. You get that perfect textured look without any of the fear of allergic reactions. So I couldn't resist. I had to make sure I shared this tip and trick during the Advent Calendar series for anybody that may be also allergic to acrylic and have always wanted to try sweater nails, or just for people that love the way the baking soda leaves the perfect sweater texture. I'm screaming because when I look at this, it's the first thing I think of. Because with cable knit sweaters, they are raised, so it truly gives that hyper realistic sweater feel. And also it feels really cool. And once you cure, that's it. And as you guys saw, I didn't even have to use much of the polish, and it embossed like a dream. Thank you for coming in to today's video. It is always so special to spend time with my nail family. And thank you for making this Advent Calendar series just so special. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day number 9. And remember, do all things with love. Mwah. See you in the next one.